Hey BPM REIA, it is Tom Zeeb. Super excited to be with you in March for two events. Totally online on Wednesday, March 5th, teaching my Winning with the Negotiation Stack, how you can win more deals by literally getting more deals and more profits out of each deal. It comes down to some actually relatively simple negotiation skills, but they're so simple most people don't seem to think of them. I'm going to teach them in a straightforward, simple manner, and you are going to master them simply from attending this online event Wednesday, March 5th. Then I'm going to be over in person on Saturday, March 8th for a full day workshop. And it's a workshop. I'm bringing a workbook for you. You'll have a 42-page workbook to dig deep into, and we are going to be building the frameworks that it takes in this business to find more deals, make more deals, and get paid more. That's all on the Saturday. It's a lot of fun. Admittedly, I'm biased, right? It's my event, but it's a fun event. This is what feedback I get from other people that have taken this class. They love it. I think you're going to love it too. Really love to have you there so we can focus on marketing, negotiation, and contracts, control, and systems for getting paid. So that is on Saturday, March 8th. Both events at BPM REIA. Sign up online. Love to see you there. I think we're going to have a really good time. I look forward to seeing you there.